आज का हमारा टॉपिक है वेक्टर एडिशन बाय रेक्टेंगुलर कंपोनेंट्स. Let A and B are two vectors represented by the lines OM and ON as shown in figure. Steps to add vectors by rectangular components method. Find the x and y components of all vectors. Add x components of all the vectors to find the x component of Rx of the resultant vector. Same as add y components of all the vectors to find the y component Ry of the resultant vectors. Find the magnitude of resultant vector by using this formula. Find the direction of resultant vector by using theta is equal to tan inverse Ry over Rx. Vector addition by rectangular components. Let A and B are two vectors represented by the line OM and ON as shown in figure. Vector A is represented by OM and vector B is represented by line ON. By adding head to tail rule, the resultant of these two vectors is R is equal to A plus B. R is equal to A plus B. Now we resolve the vector A and B are into their rectangular components. Here is vector A represented by OM. Here is the vector B represented by ON. R is a resultant vector. R is equal to A plus B. Here Ex represents the x component of vector A and Qm represents the y component of vector A. Same as Bx represents the x component of vector B and By represents the y component of vector P. Same as Qr represents the Bx and Rs represents Ay. Then Rx is equal to x component of vector A and x component of vector B, and Ry represents the y component of vector A and y component of vector B. X component of the resultant. The magnitude of x component of vector R is OR. OR is equal to OQ plus QR. Same as OR is equal to OQ, this one, and MS, this one. Rx is equal to Ax plus Bx. Above equation shows that the sum of magnitudes of x component of A and B is equal to the magnitude of x component of resultant vector R. Same as y component, the magnitude of x component of vector R is Rp. Y component, the magnitude of y component of vector R is Rp. Rp is equal to Rs plus Sp. Rp is equal to Qm plus Sp. Qm, this one, and Sp, this one. Qm represents the y component of vector A and Sp represents the y component of vector B. Above equation shows that the sum of magnitudes of y component of vector A and B is equal to the magnitude of y component of resultant vector R. As Rx and Ry are the rectangular components of resultant vector R, hence R is equal to Rxi plus Ryj. By using the value Rx is equal to Ax plus Bx and Ry is equal to Ay plus By j component. Magnitude of resultant vector R is equal to Rx square plus Ry square root. By using the value Rx is equal to this one and Ry is equal to this one. Direction of the resultant vector R. The direction of resultant vector r is given by theta is equal to tan inverse y component of resultant vector r and x component of resultant vector r, and ry is equal to ay plus by and rx is equal to ax plus bx. For n vectors, for any number of coplanar vectors a, b and c, the magnitude of resultant vector is rx square plus ry square का square root. Rx is equal to this one and ry is equal to this one, and direction is theta is equal to tan inverse y component of resultant vector r and x component of resultant vector r by using the value of ry and rx. Steps to add vector by rectangular components. First of all, we find x and y components, add x components of all vectors, same as add all components of y, find the magnitude, find the direction. First find phi by using the formula, means कि वही direction हम मालूम करेंगे. It is the angle subtended by a vector from its nearest x-axis in any rotation. Then we find theta in different coordinates. Determination of the angle: first quadrant, second quadrant, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट एंड फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में हमारे पास इस तरह का सिस्टम बनेगा, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में 180 माइनस 5 और थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में 180 प्लस 5 एंड फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में हो जाएगा हमारे पास 360 माइनस 5.